Hello student, welcome to online class. I am Shyam Dilari from LPM Public School. In this video I will tell you about a lovely poem written by Julia Dorlinson, and the name of the poem is I Opened a Book, and this poem is of class 6. This is an imaginary poem in which she described about the imaginary world of a book and the reading of book, how much she feels joy or happiness while reading a book. Let's see without any delay what is given in this book chapter. The beginning is the imaginary world of bring to us remain with us long after we read a book. It means the poetess want to say that when we open the book, we went inside of imaginary world and thinks so many things. So first para of this line, I open a book is a imaginary poem. The first line is I open a book and in strode now nobody can find me. The poetess said she opened the book and started reading, and she strode inside and feel that nobody can find her. She forget everything. She left her chair, her house, her road, her town, and the world behind her. It means she forget all the things. She left all the things which are around her in her real life. Since she went to imaginary world and left everything of his real world. In the second para, she described about the magic world. She is in magic world and she is wearing a clock that is a loose garment. She slipped on a ring and feel happy. She felt that she is drinking a magic potion. That third line, I fight with a dragon drained with a king. It means she was fighting with a dragon and she is also having a dinner with a king. The last line said that she drove into a deep ocean. It means she is moving inside the deep ocean. These all things are the imaginary thought which she feels while reading a book. It means she move inside the story and feel that she is in magic world, wearing a cloak, slip on ring, she is drinking a magic potion, she is fighting with her dragon and having dinner with a king. And then she also said that she drive into a deep ocean. These all are her imaginary thoughts when she opened a book. Now let's come to the third paragraph. I opened a book and met some friend. I shared their tear, laughter, and followed their road and trump and to the happy even after. In this line, she said that when she opened a book, then she met some friend and she shared their tear and laughter. It means that she become a part of their sorrow and joy. She follow their road means she follow their thinkings with plums and bends and make them feel happy. In the last line, she said about the real world, I have finished my book and come out. The clock can not longer hide me. My chair, my house are just the same, but I have a book inside me. Here, in the last lines, or you can say in the last para, she described that she has finished her book and at the same time she come out to the real world from the imaginary world, and she found there was no clock to hide. It means there was no garment and she cannot hide inside it. In the real world, when she come out to the real world, she find her chair, her house are in just the same place where she lived before. But she have a book inside her. The last line say, but I have a book inside me. It means she has a book inside her mind, that is what she read from the book, that is the knowledge of the book is still inside her mind. That's why she said that I have a book inside me. In this way, Julia Donaldson described about a book when she opened what she felt. I hope you have understood. Now let's see the question answers of this chapter. First question of this chapter is, take the ideas that are expressed in the poem. Match the idea to the line in the poem. Discuss your answer in class. So, without discussion, I am going to explain you which are the thoughts and ideas were explained in the poem. The first one is, this poem tell you how much the poet enjoy reading. This is correct, since in this poem the poet describe how much she love reading, how much she enjoy. So first one will be correct. Next, number 2 is that the poem leave her home to read a book. This is a wrong sentence because she never leave her home to read the books. She just move inside, or you can say she just dream about the imaginary world. She never moved, she never left her house. So the second sentence is wrong. Number 3 is that a poet forget the world while reading a book. This is a correct sentence, since while reading she forget everything, her chair, her house, her town, and her world around her. She forget everything while reading a book. So this sentence will be correct. The next sentence is, that is the poet enter another world by wearing a clock and ring. This is wrong. She never enter in another world. She is in her own world, but she is dreaming about the imaginary world. She is in dream. She never went to the another world. So this statement will be wrong. The next statement is that a book create a world the poet escape to like a magic gateway. This is a correct sentence, since in this poem the poet escape to like a magic gateway. Our next sentence is that the poet leave the real world behind when she read a book. This is a correct sentence because she strode inside the book and she leave the real world behind. So when she read a book, she leave the real world. Our next sentence is that when the poet finish the book, she come back to the real world. This is a correct sentence. When she finished the book, she come back to the real world from the imaginary world. Our next question is that even when a poet is back in the world of book stay with her. This is also a correct sentence because she say inside me a book. It means when she come out in the real world, then also the book inside her is remain, since the knowledge she get from the book is still in her. So this statement will be correct. The last statement is that the poet stole a book to really read it. This is a wrong sentence. So in this way we have done question number A. And the B is a group discussion, so we will do in the next video. C is also a discussion, so B and C we will do in the next video. I hope you have understood. Thank you for the watching.